Welcome back to our channel. Thank you for tuning in and thank you for supporting us. But if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please encourage us by doing so, and we shall bring you the latest news as they happen. And together we shall support our great leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB, and Eastern Security Network, to make and put the Fulani Janjaweed to shame. He said. The Buhari impostor wept after the U.S. president rejected Nigerians' request to use the TUCANO helicopter gunship in Biafra land. Based on the fake UK propaganda reports, which the Fulani Nigerian government claimed that IPOB was proscribed as a terrorist group by the UK government, which was later debunked by the British Prime Minister, Boris Johnson. He told the Fulani Nigerian government that Biafra IPOB are not a terrorist group. Eastern Security Network are not a terrorist group, but the Fulani terrorist bandits and the Fulani terrorist killer herdsmen are terrorist groups. And this annoyed the Buhari's government. The Fulani Nigerian government are trying to deceive the gullibles and spread propaganda claiming that IPOB, MASOB, and Eastern Security Network have been declared as terrorist group. The truth is that the Fulani Nigerian government and the compromised Nigerian news media are lying. And the UK government has confirmed that the Fulani Nigerian government are propagating lies by taking their immigration policy out of context. The Fulani Nigerian government are very disappointed after spending so much money to get the international community to designate IPOB and Eastern Security Network as terrorist group. But they did not get what they wanted. But the Fulani Nigerian government is using the compromised Nigerian news media and the Buhari Media Center to propagate lies against IPOB and Eastern Security Network and Biafrans. The Fulani Nigerian government aim or plan is for them to get the U.S. approval to use the TUCANO helicopter gunship to bombard Biafra land. But that request was rejected. They thought that all the insecurity perpetrated by the Nigerian army, police, and the criminal DSS in Biafra land would be used as evidence. But the U.S. government shut that down and told them that they cannot use the fighter jets in Biafra land because IPOB is not a terrorist group. The Fulani Nigerian government, using their criminal Nigerian DSS hoodlums, disguised as unknown gunmen and killing Biafrans, in order to blame IPOB and Eastern Security Network. In order for them to seek the help of the UK government to tag IPOB and Eastern Security Network as terrorist group, so that the UK government can use that to strip off Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's citizenship and force the Fulani Nigerian government plans and conditions on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu so that he will drop the Biafran restoration struggle. But that plan failed. It failed woefully. The Fulani Nigerian government spent billions of dollars and intensifying their terrorism in Biafran land with the help of hopeless Usodinjo to deceive the world for them to believe the Fulani terrorists, government's lies, and propaganda against IPOB and Eastern Security Network. The same Fulani Nigerian government that is covering up for the Fulani terrorists, bandits, and killer herdsmen and Boko Haram, and have been going about giving excuses why they cannot go after the Fulani terrorists. They gave series of reasons, covering up for them. You know, they have given reasons why they can't stop the Fulani terrorists. And the Fulani Nigerian government are working so hard to get IPOB proscribed or labeled internationally as terrorist group. But all their plan failed. But they have failed completely and woefully. The actual UK government report was picked out of context. And the Fulani Nigerian government are using it to deceive the gullibles. And all the Fulani Janjaweed in Sokoto, in Kano, in Katsina, and Jigawa, they were all celebrating. Until the UK government came out and told them the truth that IPOB is not a terrorist group. And there was no way they can use the Super TUCANO helicopter gunship to bombard Biafra land. Even if they were any terrorist group in Biafra land, the Fulani Janjaweed Nigerian government has no moral justification to use the fighter jets in Biafra land because they have refused to use it against the Fulani terrorists. You know, the Anambra State Governor, Professor ÇARLS, told the Fulani and the world the truth about the unknown gunmen identities. And this unsettled Buhari impostor, ฐ์and the UK government, including the Nigerian military. They were unsettled. So Ludo told the world that they should not believe the lies and propaganda being spread by the Fulani Nigerian government and the Nigerian Compromise Army. They lied that the criminals called unknown gunmen are IPOB members. But Soludo said they are not Biafra agitators, but they are criminals created by the Fulani Nigerian government and hopeless ฐ์to destroy IPOB and Eastern Security Network so that Buhari impostor can bring back the Fulani terrorist killer herdsmen into Biafran forests to continue their atrocities and mayhem in Biafra land. And ultimately, they want to take over Biafra ancestral land. That is what they want to do. So Ludo told the world leaders that the criminals called unknown gunmen, their locations are known, and they work for the Fulani Nigerian government and hopeless ฐ์. And my brothers and my sisters, we are confident that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will win all cases against the Fulani Nigerian government, pending in the UK, UN, International Criminal Court, and Nigerian courts. Thank you, my brothers and my sisters, for watching this video. And bye-bye for now.